Hi, welcome to today's meditation. My name is Betsy, and I'm going to lead you through a meditation that moves through the koshas, which are sheaths in the body. So it's like layers and aspects of ourself. So before we begin, please go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. You can also recline if you would prefer, or you're welcome to lie down on your back. You can also use a cushion underneath your seat, or if your legs and if your knees need some cushion, you can place a rolled up blanket underneath your knees. So I'll give you a few moments to settle into your space. So let's begin by just taking some cleansing breaths. So as you inhale, elevate your shoulders up towards your ears, and exhale, release them forcefully. Good. Inhale, draw the shoulders up. Exhale, let it go. Beautiful. If you'd like to add a lion's face to that, you can inhale through the nostrils. And let the tongue hang out, let the eyes widen. Sometimes that's a fun release to let some tension out of the body. Good. Take a few more of those cleansing, releasing breaths. And then let's begin to move the breath through the nostrils. So place a hand at the heart and a hand at the belly. As you inhale through the nostrils, allow that breath to move into the belly, in through the ribs, to the chest. Release from the chest, the ribs, to the belly. Continue at your own pace, allowing that breath to move in completely. Allow that exhale to move out completely. And then you can allow the hands to stay where they are, or you can place them comfortably next to you or on your legs. We're going to begin to move into the Annamaya Kosha, the physical aspect of ourselves. So first, begin to notice how you feel physically. Notice if you have any tension in any parts of the body physically. Not judging that, just noticing. Notice also where you feel relaxed. Notice a softness in the body. And let us repeat the affirmation. You can say this out loud, or you can say it just in your mind. May I be healthy. May I be healthy. May I be healthy. And just allow those words to sink deep into your heart and into your mind. Let us move next to the energy part of ourself, the pranamaya kosha, the energy layer of self. So we begin by noticing how we feel energetically today. So notice what you feel. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're not tired at all. Just notice. Breathe in. Breathe out. feel what you feel without judgment. The next layer of ourself that we will move into is the mind part of ourselves, the mental, emotional aspect of who we are, the Manamaya Kosha. So please take a moment to notice the quality of your thoughts, the quality of your emotions. Again, not judging, just noticing. Something that I like to practice on my own and teach my students is the stop method. When our thoughts or our emotions are not where we would like them to be for us to be in balance, we can use the stop method. S stands for stop. T, take a few breaths. O, observe what's happening in you and around you. And when you feel ready, P, proceed. So just put that away in your mind somewhere and bring it out at a later date when you need to access the stop method for overactive thoughts and emotions. Breathe in, breathe out. Next, we move into Vijnamaya Kosha, the intuitive part of ourself, that wisdom aspect of who we are as a person. Notice how you feel, accepting what is, and remembering what we resist persists. So if something you're resisting keeps coming up for you, that might be your cue to look at that situation or that thought, hold on to it for a few moments or maybe even longer, maybe a few days, maybe even longer. Sit with it, accept it, accept what is, and move on. And the last aspect of self that we'll focus on is pure consciousness, your higher self, Anandamaya Kosha. So take a moment to just rest in peace. Find your bliss. Allow yourself to be free from suffering. Continue to allow yourself to draw in a deep breath and release that deep breath. The beauty of yoga is that we begin to see ourselves for more than just this physical body. We are more than just the physical body. We have so many aspects of who we are. And oftentimes, the emotional part of myself may not match the intuitive part of myself or the energy part of myself. They don't seem like the same person, and that's okay because you're human and I'm human. That's okay. Accepting what is and moving forward. So let's take a moment to revisit the koshas. Come back to how you feel physically. Come back to your energy self. Come back to your mental, emotional self. That wisdom aspect of who you are. And pure consciousness. Breathe in peace. Breathe out love. If you're reclined, lying down, take a moment to meet us in a seated position. And if you're seated upright and you need to move your body a little bit, you can do a few circles around. Maybe move a few times in each direction. And then we'll all meet in an upright position. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. And place your hands together at heart center. And allow your thumbs to touch the chest right there at your heart center. If you'd like to close your eyes, you can do so now and come back to the sound of your breath. Breathe in peace. Breathe out love. Breathe in peace for yourself. Breathe out love for yourself. As those aspects of who you are feel stronger, feel more stable, then allow yourself to breathe in that love for others. Breathe out peace to others. When we begin to nurture and nourish the relationship with our own self, we then feel more open and we feel stronger to reach our hand to those that need our help. We're more willing when we've nourished our own self. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. The goodness and light in me, honor the goodness and light in each and every one of you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.